Hey there, full-timers. Vicki Gessler, fellow full-timer, 4 years now. Let me show you. That's our Riverstone legacy that we love. We're actually here now in the hill country. But anyway, so as a full-timer, when we were looking to go full-timing, we're like, okay, what can we do to make money on the road and not like deplete our retirement and savings and all that kind of stuff? And I was looking for online jobs. I got 300 no's because I was told I was past the sell-by date. 50. Seriously. Then one day I was talking to a friend of mine and he was like, Vicki, man, you got to do digital online marketing, resale rights. I'm like, what is that? Oh my God. This is perfect if you are a full-time RVer. Well, it's perfect for anybody, but I'm speaking to my fellow full-timer, RV full-timer right now. Full-timers. Okay? It's called resale rights. All right? Resale rights. It's not an MLM. This is not a pyramid scheme. Like, nobody even knows about it. I didn't know about it. But you have the resale rights to resell online digital products. We have 4 online digital products already done for you. You do not have to create the wheel. No monthly fees, no inventory to keep. You also get to keep 100% of the profits. You can get paid daily into your account. We use PayPal, Square, online, worldwide. I'm even marketing in Germany, Italy, and Canada. Can you believe it? Online digital marketing, Forbes said, is the highest paid job for 2024. $700 billion industry in 2024, expected to be $7 trillion by 2027. Y'all, this is like now. Get on it now. No monthly fees, like I already said. We got a community over 300,000 worldwide. So supportive, free training. We have great grandparents, okay, in our community that are making money in digital marketing. So you can't say I'm not a techie person. I'm not a techie person either. But we have a step-by-step blueprint that shows you how. We have free live training and recorded training. It is the most brilliant business model. Online digital marketing. Resale rights. This is how you can make great money, travel, and enjoy life, right? And get to go enjoy beautiful views like this. It's awesome. So, listen, you can either put like yes in the comments, or I'm adding my QR code to this video. You can scan it, and then what happens is I will send you my free online, the blueprint, step-by-step, that shows you more about it. If you have any questions, I am such an open book. You can email me, and I can schedule a phone call or whatever, and I can tell you more about it. But my fellow full-time RVers, you gotta check this out. This is like, it's the way. Pay daily, $100, $300 a day. I think it's like $109,000 a year. My gosh. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I sure hope to see you clicking on my QR code or saying yes in the comments. Okay? All right. Have fun living on the road. And thanks for watching.